Hi everyone, my name is Sunil. I'm your English trainer, and today we are going to learn some important idioms. And these idioms are usually used in our day-to-day conversation. And these days, I have found one thing that people really want to use idioms, and it is very good. How we can use idioms and why we use idioms when we don't want to use long sentences. Rather than using long sentences, we can use some idiom or their expressions to say the same thing. So without wasting a single second, let's start this video. The first one is 9 times out of 10. You must have understood something that if I say 9 times out of 10, it means I'm doing it all the time. Same, it has the meaning almost always. Let's understand this with an example. I think in English 9 times out of 10. It means I always think in English. I do not think in Hindi very much. The next one is once in a while. You must have heard of this. Once in a while, it means sometimes. Rather than using sometimes every time, you must say once in a while. Or you can also say every once in a while. What you need to do? You need to add every before once in a while. For example, people wake up early in the morning once in a while. Means people do not always wake up early in the morning, but once in a while, they wake up early in the morning. The next one is act up. Here it's a phrasal verb. Phrasal verb means when you use any verb, after that you can use prepositions. There it meaning changes. It does not have the same meaning. Act up means behave badly. This is for human. Second is if a machine does not work properly. There we can also say that it is acting up. For example, you are acting up now means you are behaving very badly now. Okay, the next one is words fail me. You must have understood something when you do not know how to say anything, when you run short of words, when you are surprised, you are angry, or you are shocked. And there are so many situations you always say, oh, I don't know what to say, I am speechless, this and that. Stop using all these old idioms or old sentence structures. Use words fail me. When you use this, it will set you apart from other people and it will make you a brilliant speaker. Next one is as light as a feather. When you feel something is very light in weight, so there you should say it is as light as a feather. This pen is same. It is as light as a feather. Next one is get in one's hair. You already know that and you must have understood a bit that when you have something in your hair, it will bother you and you will have that problem all the time. So that's why it is said that to annoy someone. When something gets in your hair, it means it is going to bother you. It will annoy you. Same as here, loud music always gets in my hair. The next one is without a shadow of a doubt. You will think that why would I use it? Why wouldn't I say without any doubt? It is up to you. If you really want to impress people, if you want people to be amazed after listening to you, so there you have to use without a shadow of a doubt. It means without any doubt. For example, you all will speak English fluently without a shadow of a doubt. I hope it's clear. Next one is through and through. It means completely. For example, she is enjoying her meal through and through. I hope you are also able to understand this video through and through. Next one is knock you dead. It means when something surprises you and pleases you. There you can say it is going to knock you dead. For example, my questions will knock you dead. My questions can be surprising or pleasing for you. Alright. The next one is all ears. Whenever you speak, when you want your people or your audience to listen to you, rather than saying please pay attention to me, you can use this splendid idiom expression that is all ears. It means listen carefully something. For example, when I say something, you should be all ears to me, means you should listen to me very carefully. Next one is see eye to eye. Please don't be surprised to know the meaning of it. It means agree. You always say I agree with you, you agree with me, but do not use it. Please try using this one. I see eye to eye with you. Example, people will see eye to eye with you if you have right opinion, right thoughts. Next one is all Greek. All Greek means unclear something that you do not understand. You always say that if you are not able to get something, you say, oh, I'm sorry, I did not get it. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't understand that. Rather than saying, I'm sorry, I don't understand that, I don't get it, use all Greek. For example, Sanskrit is all Greek to me, means I'm not able to understand it. The next one is believe me. We use this expression very much when we emphasize on something. Believe me, you will learn this language one day. Believe me, you will be a fluent speaker of this language. Next one is all of a sudden. It means suddenly when something happens. For example, all of a sudden everyone started running. Means suddenly, and no one expected that this would happen, and people started running. Last one is birds of a feather flock together. It means when people have the same opinion, people have the same belief, there we can say that birds of a feather flock together. And I hope you must have learned one thing. And if you have enjoyed or if you have liked any of these idioms, I would request you to remark a comment in the comment box so that I can understand which one is your favorite. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, enjoy your life and keep learning. Thank you.